Okay na. 1 minute left. Start ka. Bridesmaid, dali mo ta amin. Entourage, dali mo ta landaan. Boys, apil na. Para makita mo na mo tayo yung Lahat ka sa inyong mga tawagon sa inyong mga
Parents of the
sa
groom,
inyong mga
Mr. Miguel Calungo, Mrs. Elizabeth Calungo. John Lloyd Calungo, Mestre. Principals, Honorable Rodrigo Lucas, Miss Marichel Maglao, Mr. Donald Balon, Mrs. Blonsel Rojas, Mr. Warren De Los Santos, Mrs. Leslie Alvidora, Mr. Ronald Person, Mrs. Aina Man, Mr. Robert Santa Ana, Mrs. Marilyn Pinzon, Mr. Richard Fonseca, Mrs. Helen Baracion, Honorable Rolando Casabluman, Mrs. Haida Song, Mrs. Cecilia Tabe, Mrs. Rubilin Antay, Mrs. Arsenio Sierra, Mrs. Pablita Pitar, Mr. Leopoldo Riego, Mrs. Arlene Valer, Mr. and Mrs. Liberato Sigarin, Mr. and Mrs. Honorable Rosario Ipoca, Mr. and Mrs. Ansani Sanjuan, Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo Damaray, Mr. and Mrs. Lawrence Damaray, Mr. and Mrs. Wendell Tagidar, Mr. and Mrs. Kubay, Mr. and Mrs. Hilo Diabo, Mr. and Mrs. Robert Largo, Mr. and Mrs. Alan Kinko, Mr. and Mrs. Ronnie
naka-tissue ka?
Paras,
Nailang ko.
Mr. and Mrs. Ramon Sanford.
Tissue ka?
This is the moment that I'm waiting for. To finally you'll be mine. I'll promise to Allah we'll love you eternity. I'm gonna hold your precious hand. Let your parents tell my love, telling everyone you will marry me. Will you please accept my hand? I'm gonna marry you today. Inshallah, you will let me know. I'm gonna hold your precious hand. Let your parents tell my love. Telling everyone you will marry me. Will you please accept my hand?
Appreciating iba.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh sa mga Muslim o maayong hapon sa mga igsuon namon na Muslim. So, bago nato sugdan ang seremonya, anaalang ko'y gusto i-pahibalo, i-explain, labi na sa side ni